Ah, I'm just kidding. About 20 teaspoons of sugar is what the average man is having a day. That is the equivalent to 3 cans of Coke, 3 Mars bars, 4 packs of Sour Patch Kids candy every single day. So it's clear, we are addicted to sugar. But the good news is, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to break that addiction on this episode of Lean Living. So get excited, it's time to get lean. Woo! Hello squaddies! Welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. I am really excited about this one because, well, sugar is everywhere and more people than ever before on this planet Earth are addicted to it. So today we're gonna right those wrongs and I'm gonna show you exactly how to break your sugar addiction. But first, before we dive into it, subscribe to the channel. Come on, click that button so you never miss another episode of Lean Living again. And also, I wanna hear from you. Comment. Let me know how my videos are helping you, how they are affecting your health and fitness journey, and what you wanna hear more of. And last but not least, make sure you follow LEANSQUAD on Instagram, because that's where I live most of my lean life. All right, we got that out of the way. Now on to the sugar addiction. Sugar has been proven to change our brain. It is equally as addictive as cocaine and heroin. What about the rest of our body? Well, weight gain, that's an easy one because sugar is so easy to consume in excess, which means in a short period of time, we can have a lot of calories. Not good. Secondly, teeth. Not good for our teeth, causes decay. Thirdly, sugar highs and lows do not keep you in happy spirits throughout the day. Instead, sugar has actually been linked to depression. Fourthly, sugar in your bloodstream actually acts like little shards of glass and ruins your delicate linings in your arteries, which means it's gonna put you at a higher risk for strokes and heart attacks. Fifthly, if that is even a word, eating too much sugar increases the risk of you getting heart disease by up to 25%. So, those are 5 big reasons why we need to cut down on the sugar, not to mention the brain. Don't forget about the brain. Brain is very important. We want a happy, healthy brain, and I'm going to show you exactly how to cut back this sugar intake, starting with step number 1, which is controlling your cravings with healthy, tasty, delicious foods. It's gotta be a delicious. And I seriously mean that. The foods we eat need to be tasty, but they also need to have the appropriate breakdown of protein and healthy fats. Firstly, fat is rich and helps you feel fuller for longer, more satiated, happier. And then the protein helps level out your blood sugar levels. So that means after lunch, you are not gonna be going into that cookie jar, but instead you're gonna be feeling good, full, and energized. Secondly, on that plate filled with proteins and healthy fats is leafy, nutritious greens. The reason being is because these greens are filled with magnesium, and magnesium has been proven to help reduce sugar cravings. Foods like this spicy Mexican chorizo cauliflower dish I made the other day is filled with nutrients, filled with fats, filled with protein, and so delicious. So you gotta check out all of the recipes that I promote. There are so many options out there, and you need to start making these to enjoy your foods while hitting your macro breakdown and significantly reducing your sugar intake. Step number 2 is, drum roll, healthy snacks and reducing sugary drink intake. Not only do we want to make healthy snacks, we want to prep these in bulk. That way, whenever you get a little bit of sugar craving, instead of going for the junk food aisle, you're going to go into your meal prep. I am talking about yummy, delicious protein energy balls filled with low sugar chocolate chippies. How does that sound? Sounds pretty good, right? Well, those again are exactly the type of snacks that I recommend to all my squatties. So when you have these on hand, you're gonna satisfy that sweet tooth. You're also going to get energized because they're filled with healthy fats, protein, and just a hint of sweetness to satisfy that craving. And lastly, on point number 2 is sugary drinks. Well, obviously the things like Coke, those are a no-no, packed, filled with sugar. But what about things like apple juices or fruit smoothies or green juices? A lot of these have tons and tons of sugar. You definitely need to, again, read the label, understand. Once you see that sugar level getting up past 10, 12 grams of sugar, you need to be wary. You need to stay away and you need to cut those out of your life. Those are just empty calories. And now we're heading into tip number 3 for you cutting sugar. But first, I just wanted to say, if anyone out there feels like they need some help with your weight loss journey, please, please, please feel free to reach out to me. Check out www.lean-squad.com and the 90-day lean plan, because a lot of these principles, I take care of them for you and implement them into a custom meal plan for you along with a workout plan. So just wanted to get that in your ear there in case you were feeling a little lost and you weren't really sure how to tackle this sugar craving by yourself. Otherwise, we're back to our lean announcement with step number 3, which is awareness. I want you to learn how to read labels. Similar to step number 2, when you are doing the grocery shop, setting yourself up for an entire week of success, you need to avoid sneaky sugars, because most companies try and put sugar in everything because they know you get addicted to it. And it's just like drugs. They want to give you a little taste, so you want more, you want more. You keep coming back, and you would be amazed at some of the foods that have a ton of sugar without you ever realizing. And again, a lot of these healthy companies are packing their foods filled with sugar, but they'll say low in fat. So you gotta be aware. All right, I've got one little last tippy. When you are starting out, you do not want to go from 0 to 100, okay? Small little baby steps. If you cut sugar out entirely, well, I guarantee you are going to start reaching for that junk food before you know it. However, if you start making small, little, tangible steps and cutbacks each day, each week, by the end, you are not going to be addicted to sugar anymore. Similarly, chewing gum in times of severe sugar cravings is a great way that has proven to reduce sugar intake. Remember, this is a learning process. You do not want to worry about sugar all day, every day. That is not good for your mental health. And it's also gonna increase stress levels, which means you're gonna increase cortisol levels, which means you are not going to have your body functioning and burning fat the way it should be. And with that said, squatties, that's today's episode on how to curb your sugar addiction. Comment below, let me know how this video helped you, and also let me know what you want to see more of. And last but not least, if you want my personal help, then sign up for the 90-day lean plan. Don't wait any longer. Let's smash it together. Let's beat the New Year's rush. There's no point in waiting until January. There's never gonna be a perfect time to start until you start. And that is what I truly believe. So just get it done. Let's get you that meal plan. Let's get you my support. Let's get you that workout plan, and you will be able to start your journey and start smashing your life. And I promise you, it's going to transform a whole lot more than just your body. And lastly, hoodies. If you want one, you can DM me, hats, DM me, or check out the website, www.lean-squad.com. Hit up the apparel. I wanna see you guys representing the Lean Squad. It's just like you sharing the recipes. The more we share, the more we're gonna spread the leanness and the more people that are gonna transform their lives. So thank you very much, squaddies. I will see you back here next episode, so long as you hit that subscribe button. Boo!